Does LG OLED have Chromecast? No, LG OLED TVs do not have built-in Chromecast, but they support screen mirroring and casting through other methods like AirPlay for Apple devices and Miracast for Android and Windows devices. While Chromecast is a Google technology, LG OLED TVs run on WebOS, which does not natively support Chromecast. However, you can still use external Chromecast devices to enable Chromecast functionality on an LG OLED TV. 1. How to cast to an LG OLED TV without Chromecast. If your LG OLED TV does not have Chromecast built in, here are alternative ways to cast content. For Android devices, Miracast, TOTS, Screen Share. Step 1. Ensure both the TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open Settings, then Display, then Cast/Screen Mirroring on your phone. Step 3. Select your LG TV from the available devices. Step 4. Confirm the connection on your TV to start mirroring. For iPhones and iPads, Apple AirPlay 2. Step 1. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the control center on your iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Tap screen mirroring and select your LG OLED TV. Step 4. Enter the AirPlay code shown on the TV screen. For Windows laptops, wireless display/Miracast. Step 1. Press Windows plus K on your keyboard. Step 2. Select your LG TV from the available devices. Step 3. Approve the connection on your TV. These methods allow screen mirroring and casting without Chromecast. 2. How to use Chromecast with an LG OLED TV. If you want full Chromecast functionality, you can connect an external Chromecast device such as Google Chromecast HD or 4K edition. Plugs into the HDMI port of the LG OLED TV. Chromecast with Google TV includes Google Assistant, apps, and voice controls. Android TV box with Chromecast built in. Some streaming devices have Chromecast integration. To set up Chromecast, Step 1. Plug the Chromecast device into an HDMI port on the LG OLED TV. Step 2. Switch to the correct HDMI input on the TV. Step 3. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Step 4. Follow the setup instructions to connect Chromecast to your Wi-Fi. Step 5. Tap the cast icon in any compatible app, YouTube, Netflix, etc., and select your Chromecast device. Third, Chromecast-compatible apps on LG OLED TVs. Many apps available on LG's WebOS Smart TV platform support Chromecast-like casting, including YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, Spotify. For these apps, you can start playback on your phone and continue watching on the TV without using Chromecast. LG OLED TVs do not have built-in Chromecast, but they support other casting methods like AirPlay, Miracast, and LG Screen Share. If you need full Chromecast functionality, connecting an external Chromecast device is the best option.